Good day everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to easily increase mobile hotspot speed on Android. So guys, just be sure to open up your phone settings. If you have the tab just like I have it, for example in here, portable spot, then go ahead and click on it. If not, on the top here, just tap on search settings, the search bar, and type in hotspot like this, and go to the portable hotspot. So either of the ways. So go here, and in here we have the portable hotspot settings. After that, on my particular model, to change the settings for hotspot, as you can see, it's the second row, set up portable hotspot. And in here, guys, the setting that you want to change is pretty simple. You just need to select the highest possible and fastest possible AP band. So as you can see in my phone, two of them are supported. The first one, 2.4 Hz, it's the long established but kind of older version of the pretty much wireless band and frequency. So it is wider in its radius, but it's slower in the speed. But if you want the highest speed, make sure to change this from 2.4 to 5 gigahertz. If you have 6 gigahertz, my phone doesn't support the hotspot in this speed. If you do have it, just select it. But in general, most phones nowadays, the popular ones and the latest ones, the not old ones, support the minimum of 5 gigahertz. 4.4, it's kind of old. And after this, just press on save, and the next time you turn on your portable hotspot, you will have it at the maximum speed. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.